Butterfly life cycle. Let's learn the 4 stages of the life of a butterfly. Stage 1. The first stage of a butterfly's life cycle begins when a female butterfly lays her eggs on the leaf of a plant. The eggs are usually laid on the underside of the leaf and are very small. Stage 2. After hatching from the egg, the butterfly enters the larva stage. The larva is also known as a caterpillar, and it spends most of its time eating and growing. Stage 3. The pupa is also known as a chrysalis, and it is a hard, protective shell that the caterpillar creates around itself. Inside the pupa, the caterpillar transforms into a butterfly. Stage 4. After the pupa stage, the butterfly comes out as an adult. It takes a few hours for the butterfly's wings to fully expand and dry out. Once the wings are fully developed, the butterfly is ready to fly. Butterflies start their life as an egg, which hatches into a caterpillar. The caterpillar eats and grows, shedding its skin several times until it forms a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar undergoes metamorphosis and emerges as a beautiful butterfly ready to fly and start the life cycle all over again. Now let's learn the 5 stages of the life of a frog. Stage 1. The first stage of a frog's life begins when the female frog lays eggs in water. The eggs are covered in a jelly-like substance that protects them from predators. Stage 2. After a few days, the eggs hatch into tadpoles, which look like small fish with long tails. Tadpoles breathe through gills and feed on algae and other small ocean plants. Stage 3. As the tadpole grows, it goes through a process called metamorphosis, where it transforms into a frog. During this stage, the tadpole's tail shrinks and its legs and lungs begin to grow. Stage 4. Once the metamorphosis is complete, the tadpole has become a froglet. At this stage, the froglet still has a small tail, but it can now breathe air and is starting to look more like a frog. Stage 5. Finally, the froglet grows into an adult frog. Adult frogs have fully developed lungs and legs, and they live on land and in water. They eat insects, spiders, and other small animals. So frogs begin their life as eggs in the water, which hatch into tadpoles. Tadpoles breathe through gills and swim using a tail, feeding on algae and plants. As they grow, they develop legs and lungs, and their tail is absorbed. They then emerge from the water as adult frogs, able to live both on land and in water, where they catch insects with their long, sticky tongue. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.